So, when I pick up the first example of a ruler, then I am going to explain it in detail about the decisions which are taken by rulers at various times. Now, what does it mean? That is to say, when a ruler or a candidate gets elected, then how does he use his power? And we are going to see this example through General Pervez Musharraf of Pakistan, who did a coup in 1999 and usurped all the powers in his hands. Later on, he changed his title and started calling himself as the President of Pakistan. Then he held a referendum in the country, and by this referendum, he got another 5 years to rule. Of course, the social and the human activists and various other organizations criticized this referendum, and they said that various illegal means had been adopted to actually get this result. Then he issued what is called as the Legal Framework Order in 2002, wherein he made himself very, very strong. The first thing that he said, that the dismissal of the assemblies at all levels can be done by the President at any time if he feels the need. He also said that the civil cabinet shall be supervised by the military officers, of which he himself is the head. This means that the ruler of Pakistan, though elected by a referendum, but is not a true democratic head, because he keeps on changing laws, rules and regulations to actually make himself comfortable, secure and more powerful. He is not the true head who leads the country in an unbiased and in a manner which is truly democratic. He is a dictator, but he has disguised himself in the form of democratic head.